This transition is massive. 7.5% of global GDP needs to be invested in green capex to get to net zero. It's not happening, and that's why we are here. If you're going to win here, you need to bloody hell run away from everybody else. The purpose of the next 2 days is to learn from each other. How do we scale faster, both on the startup side and on the capital side?
A lot of these markets are going to grow by 5 times, 10 times, 20 times over a 10-year period. The challenge today is that, investors having a big problem in terms of, where does this fit? Square peg in a round hole.
We can see that they're early stage, like venture, they're scaling, like growth capital, but they're also capital intense, like infrastructure. And we are going to need a new type of capital, a new type of investor with a different mandate to drive the green transition.
What we really need to solve with the modern project finance is how do we get the lenders and equity providers comfortable with these new risks?
How do you manage then to sell half your production without the plant, without an income statement, without a balance sheet? We're turning a commodity-based pricing market and industry of steel into a value-based pricing model by understanding our customer's customer.
We are here for the long term. We are here for actually transforming the world for the better. We need everyone on board to make that happen. And also, we hope to win the game as well. Net Zero is playing not to lose. And we are here to play to win.
I think there's a certain amount of boldness within the people, on stage, off the stage, within the crowd. And people are really passionate about this thing.
There was a lot of good examples now in the conference about what it takes to truly scale, truly out-execute, outperform, out-compete. I hope that when we come back in a year's time, we will have some true stories of the concepts we talked about here being far advanced into actual real practice.
To what extent can you use AI to radically accelerate your R&D? How can you bring your capex down by treating your plant as a product? How can you accelerate commercially by using as-a-service models? In the race to net zero, we're not winning right now. We need to up the pace. Someone is going to capture that value. So why can't it be you?